In this tutorial we explain how to take photos for 3D reconstruction. These are the materials that you will need. Print the template with the logos, which is available in the video description. Spread the newspaper sheet on the floor or on a table. Use tape to fix the sheet to the surface. Place the template on the newspaper sheet and fix it with tape too. Pour the sand on the template, forming one or several piles. Configure the camera settings of your device before taking photos. Although the way to adjust them can vary from one device to another, in this list you will find the main recommended settings for any device. Make sure that the place has a correct and uniform lighting that avoids projecting shadows in the photos. To stabilize the camera while you take the photos, you can use almost any object you have available. Use your imagination. Here we show you some examples. Follow these tips and take the photos. Check the quality of the photos and repeat those that are blurred or too dark. Have you got a good photos? Then you are ready for generate the model.